Hello learners, welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 7 and today we are going to learn more about conditional functions. So today's target is mastering conditional functions in Excel. So let's jump into it. We will be using the previous dataset because it is perfect for demonstrating how conditional functions works. So let's start with SUMIFS. SUMIFS allows you to sum values based on multiple criteria. Imagine you want to sum the sales made by employees in sales department who are also in the north region. So to do that, we have to put the formula equal to sum if, then we have to give the sum range, the range which we would like to sum. After that, we have to give the criteria range. Then we will be giving criteria. Then we will give the second criteria range. At the last criteria. This formula looks at the department and region column and sums the sales amount where both the conditions are met. Now, COUNTIFS works in a similar way, but counts the number of cells that meet multiple criteria. For example, let's count how many marketing employees have met or exceeded their sales target. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to COUNTIFS. Then we will give the criteria range. After that, the first criteria, then the second criteria range, and at last we will give the last criteria, which is more than equal to 100. This formula counts the employees in marketing whose sales target is 100 or more. It is a powerful way to filter your data based on more than one condition. Finally, we have AVERAGEIFS, which calculates the averages of values that meet multiple criteria. Let's find the average bonus for sales employees in the East region. To do that, we have to put the formula AVERAGEIFS, then we will give the average range, then we will give the criteria range, and then we will give our criteria. After that, we will give the second criteria range and then the second criteria. So this formula averages bonus values where the department is sales and the region is east. Try these functions in your own workbook and we will meet in the upcoming videos with more interesting topics. Thank you.